Well guys, the hummingbirds are moving back in, and hey, I thought I would just do another fun video with my First Nature 3090. I did an unboxing video. If you want to watch that, I'll put a link up at the top. You can take a look at that. And I also put my Suspect game camera, which I did a video on it, and if you want to watch it, check up the top. I'll put a link up there. I put it on a tripod, and I'm going to look at this, see if we can't get some good footage this year of the hummingbirds coming in. So hey, stay with me and let's take a look and see what we get. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little fun video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, I will catch you later.